Oh, Ellison's touching the goats. She's being so brave. Ellison, is that fun? Look at me, wave to me. Hi. Oh, you're such a brave girl. What do you think their names are?
I don't know.
You want to name them?
Dolly.
Dolly? Oh, that's a good name. Which one's Dolly?
Her.
She's Dolly. What's the other one's name?
Dolly and Mommy.
Dolly and Mommy? So you think I look like the goat? Huh. They're awful cute, aren't they? Woo. Good job.
Can I pet the other one here?
Which one? Over here? You want to come back over here and pet those again and pet the sheep?
I want to pet Daddy.
Well, nobody's over there right now. You better wait. Come back over here and pet the sheep. Come over here and pet the sheep that you were petting a minute ago. Over here, babe.
This is Dolly. And this is Dolly.
Oh, okay.
And the sheep is Dolly and the goat is Dolly.
Well, go pet the sheep again. I want to see you pet the sheep.
Why is she eating grass?
Oh, she's hungry.
Okay, everybody, we're going to sing happy birthday.
Yay!
Everybody can come over here by the lamb.
Not yet. In just a minute. When it's time, we're going to come sing happy birthday.
And then we're going to pass out cupcakes, birthday cupcakes.
I call the sheep Dolly.
Yeah, okay, dog.